Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel of the LaTeX tutorial series. So in last video we have saw that how to text formatting in LaTeX, and in this section I will explain how to create sections, subsection, titles and basic page setup in LaTeX in a very simple way. So the very first question came in our mind that why the sections are important. So for that, in LaTeX, sections help you break your document into a proper parts, and this is very useful for assignments, reports, thesis or articles because LaTeX automatically handles numbering and formatting. So without wasting our time, let's move to our basic commands. For that, we just need to open our LaTeX file. So this is our very first file. In this, we have started at writing for our section, subsection, and subsection. For that, like for first section, like we want to make introduction section. Then in introduction section, we want whatever we wanted to write, just write here. Like this is the introduction section. Full stop. Wait, the introduction spelling mistake. Introduction. Then if we want to make our subsection of background, background, then in background, some background details, full stop. Then subsection, if we want to subsection of history. Wait, this spelling, what is happening today? History. So detailed history goes here. Full stop. Wait, what is happening today with spellings? HOSTU RY history. Now, okay. So now we can see like backslash section is used for the main heading. Then subsection is used to create a smaller part under the section, and subsection is used for even more detailed breakdown. So if you just whatever you wanted, just whatever you wanted to write, just simply write the command and put your heading inside the curly brackets. The text will automatically number the section and place them correctly. And after that, if we want to make title, author's name and date, so so where we write all these author's name, title before begin document. So where here we can write our title, author's name and date before our document begin. So for title, just simple write title and write our title name first, LaTeX document. Then for author's name, write author and write your author's name. In this, I am the author, so I am writing my name. And then for date, we can write date in format like 23/10 into 2025. We can just simply write backslash today. And after begin document, we just simply write make title and then just compile. So this is our title, author's name and date. So this is the complete example showing how title, author's name, date and section work together. When you compile it, LaTeX will automatically place the title at the top. Okay. So this is for today's video. We covered all the important heading levels, how to add title, author and date, and how to set basic page. And in the next video, we will start learning how to write a mathematical equation in LaTeX, which is one of its strongest features. If you are enjoying the series, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comment also if you have any question regarding this video. Okay, thank you.